In this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how you can allow friends to join your game on Roblox. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to the game or the experience on which we want to allow our friends to join. So for example, if I click on this one, you would then be on this page. You then want to scroll across, click on servers. And then from here, you then want to identify where your server is, go over, click on the three dots, and then select configure. Once we click on configure, you will then be on this page. And then as you can see, you want to make sure that you have allowed joining. So you want to toggle on this option. Once you toggle on this option, you want to go down to where it says friends allowed and then go over and then click on this toggle right here. Once you do this, that will then allow you to add friends. Once you do this, that will then allow your friends to join your server. You can also invite them by clicking on add people. If you enter in their username, you can select add, and you can also generate an invite link. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can allow friends to join your game on Roblox. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.